Yeah, just take a look at this. Smoked on the Pit Boss for an hour and a half to 2 hours. Come on now. Go ahead and take this straight down like that. Do both of these. Up, I don't know, I mean, may end up getting these mixed up. I like either one of them, but hopefully I try to keep them separate so we'll know which one's which. Now this is the hot one here. All right, so there is the hot one there. This is just a standard maple version. Get that out, like that. This is, the reason I chose this is, I don't know, you can use any seasoning you want. This is Boars Night Out. It's sweet, it's swine, it's oh mine. It's got a little bit of sugar in it, cane sugar, and some other ingredients. So something sweet or something honey, I think fits this very well. Let's go ahead and hit it. I'm going to cover this thing up completely. I done forgot. This one's the regular one, yeah. This will turn out real good, and then you can just cut them off, have you put them in between biscuits, as a platter, whatever you want. Just want to season the heck out of them real good. And we'll get them on heated up, get them put on here, and once this gets up to 250, I'll let them cook up. And then, all right, we're there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Right there, you can see I've got the foil all lined up, and I'm letting out the heat. This one right here is the spicy one we're going to put on the left. This one right here is the regular one. I'm just going to place on the right, and I'm going to place them. The fire pit is right in the center, so I don't have either one of them directly over the fire pit. That way it isn't bringing any extra heat. And we're going to close it. That's it, folks. Let it roll for about 90 minutes.
This was after about 45 minutes, is at about 129 degrees, but we went ahead and cooked it about another 45 minutes till we got up to about 150.
Right there they are. That's the spicy one. Yes. Oh, well, look at the bottom of that. Doesn't that look incredible? See how this just cooked the whole log, and then look at that. Smoke. See the steam coming from it? Got all that steam and everything. Oh, what do we got there? Got some cheese on there. Let's go ahead and take a piece of this and try it out. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Big, cut it up, just place it on there.
Right in there. Set this piece up a little. Right there. Right there. Look at that. Almost like a sausage, like a sausage taco. Smoked sausage taco there, tostada, some cheese, some sour cream, and all that good stuff. And that's pretty darn good. I thought this was the spicy one, but it tastes like the maple. I think this one may be the spicy one. I think I may have got it backwards. I knew I'd mix them up, but let me see if this one is a little spicy. Yeah, so I think this one's spicy. It is. I knew I would mix them up. I always do, but either way, they're both good. The spicy, the maple, seasoned up, excellent. Good stuff. Smoke you some sausage. If you haven't, you can now slice these up. We can have biscuits